Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make stenciled bags, and it's super easy and fun, so hopefully you enjoy. You're going to need fabric paint, stencils, and stencil brushes, and something to stencil on. You're pretty much just going to want to get a little bit of paint and dab it onto the stencil. So it kept moving around a lot, so I just decided to get some tape and tape it down into place. So after each color, we washed the brush out and then got a little bit of the next color. So I took off the tape, but you could have just kept it attached to the stencil and picked it up and put it in one piece to your next one. And then I was going to just do a row of them, but then I thought it'd be good to just do them randomly so you could do whatever you want. So I took my fingers and was trying to hold down the stencil with the tape, and I got a little bit of paint up above it, but that's fine. But we tried to wash it out and it sort of got better, but it was kind of messy looking. The pineapple was perfect for summer, but you could do whatever you wanted. My sister did a unicorn. So this is the final result. I really love it. Thank you for watching Adventures of a DIY Mom.